I'ma fix these? It's crazy. Oh man, had a long day. Hate work. But then I can still come home and do this. Just got these dropped off. Oh my god. Look at this shit here. Good god. What year is this? This gotta be. They got the sliding box. Ooh, this gotta be maybe 12, 13. God. Oh, what the bro? Hey? Damn. I'ma fix these. It's gonna take a couple of days. This is definitely gonna take a couple of days. Look at my collar. They working the shit out of me at work. Damn. I don't even want to get to these. What the fuck was this nigga doing in these shoes? God damn. This filthy. Look at these used to be Columbia's. What am I? Oh my god. Did this nigga cut grass in these? What did he do in these? I can smell it. Oh shit. Wow. I cannot believe this nigga. I really gotta cut. This shit gonna take so long. Maybe I should get to work now. Let's get ready to rumble. I ain't got no more gloves. Let's take these funky ass shoestrings out. Oh, these bitches stink. Yes. Like I don't even do shit at work, but I don't do shit at work. I've been in the sun all day. Terrible. In Texas heat. These nasty. These are brown, bro. These are like Travis Scott. I'm gonna call these the Travis Scott Concord for now because these bitches are disgusting and funky, stinky, and brown. Very much disgusting. Forgot to do this part. How I make my Instagram videos 101. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna clean these. Yep. This is gonna be a challenge. 100%. Alright, I can start now. Time to get these hoes cleaned. Let's begin. I ain't using no music today, no videos, no nothing. Just me talking to my motherfucking self. Nice and boring. Cause all my shit not charged. Yeah, I should do this. We're making a little progress. Okay. These bitches stiff too. I don't know why they so hard. It's probably because they got sweated in and shit. Because if you see the wrinkles, I don't know if you can see that, but who gives a fuck? You'll see it. Go to my Instagram. They're reincarnated. Gotta put that shout on there. Shout. These bitches make me want to shout. Now, what year are these? 11. Oh, so these will be 2011. These are, wow. Gotta use the soft bristle for this cloth to get in that cloth. Because ain't no other brush gonna penetrate that cloth or the mesh that's inside of there. Definitely got some taco grease stains in there too. This motherfucker feet stink. Oh my god, this stinks. This is a little better already. Definitely a little better already. And I can tell you one thing. These are so dirty. The washing machine is not even an option. They're definitely going in there. I really want to do one shoe at a time, but I ain't got no time for that. Maybe I will do one shoe at a time. No, I won't. Let's get through this bottom, that hard bristle. Get off in there. Actually, I'm halfway through, and I'm definitely gonna leave this shoe how it is. So I get to the end. Until I get this one fully restored. Hey, we already got some. Oh, this one got wet, so it's a little shiny. It's shiny now. Can I clean it? No, because top of that bitch is still filthy. All right. Now, look at the difference already. This hand cleaned. Hand cleaned. The fucking, this is crazy. The before and after on these is going to be nuts. Still not enough. So, place that over there. Gotta get this bagged up. All right, we back. Had to go get the bag. And Rejuvenator dead ass wrong. Y'all dead ass wrong for giving me this little ass bag. My customer here. I gotta go get me shoes. Let's see. After I throw these in the washing machine. So they gave me this little ass bag. They used to be able, Rejuvenator used to give the bags that you could put both of them in. Guess they're getting cheap. I'm not even gonna dip this in the soap. Whatever. I'm gonna hit it with shout. This in here. Close it up. And since my customer is here, I'm gonna go drop his shoes off. I'll see y'all tomorrow after I bring these bad boys out the washing machine for part 2. Come back for part 2. See y'all niggas tomorrow.